we'll discuss about the comparison test. So the comparison test, they have given statement as summation un be the series where un is greater than or equals to 0. Then we have to prove the condition that summation un converges mod vn is less than or equals to un, then vn will also get converge, and summation un is equals to infinite and vn is greater than or equals to un, then vn is also is equals to infinite. So whatever they have given in the question, I have written here. Summation un is a series, summation un is greater than or equals to 0. We have to prove these two conditions. So given first case, summation un is convergent. When we are saying that summation un is a series, okay, when we'll say summation un is a series and summation un is convergent, then there exists for each epsilon is greater than 0, there exists m belongs to z plus such that u of p plus 1 plus u of p plus 2 plus so on plus uk less than epsilon for all p is greater than or equals to q is greater than or equals to m. Whenever we will say un is a series, we will say that it is a Cauchy criteria. So un is convergent. un is convergence if and only if Sn is convergent. When we will say Sn is convergence if and only if it is a Cauchy sequence. Cauchy sequence condition, Sp minus Sq is less than epsilon 1 condition, or we can write Sn plus P minus Sq is less than epsilon. These are the conditions. So when we are saying this Cauchy sequence condition is convergent, then we can say un is also convergent. So therefore I will write here that u of p plus 1 plus u of p plus 2 plus so on uk is less than epsilon. When we are saying this is convergent sequence, then this will also be a convergent sequence. So this is the un value, vn value. So we can write that mod of summation vn is less than or equals to the un value. So therefore we can say vn is convergence. Why? Because in the question they gave that when vn is less than or equals to un, then vn will also be convergent. So this is the vn term and this is the un term. When it is convergent, then this will also be get converges. And the second condition is, they have given that summation un is equals to infinite and vn is greater than or equals to un. So let us suppose Sn and Tn be two sequences, and un and vn means un is Sn, vn is Tn. So let us consider Sn is greater than or equals to Tn. Let us consider. Now apply limits on both sides. Limit Sn is greater than or equals to limit Tn. Okay. Let us suppose that summation un is equals to infinite they have given in the question. So we have taken un value as Sn. So then limit Sn will also be equals to infinite. So I am substituting in infinite is greater than or equals to limit of Tn. Infinite will not be greater than any value. Infinite is greater than everything. Limit of Tn is less than or equals to infinite. Means this limit value is less than infinite because infinite is a greater term. So we will say that limit Tn will also be equals to infinite. This Tn is nothing but Vn. Vn is also infinite. So when un is infinite, then Vn is also infinite from the condition. Hence we proved comparison test.